Hello everyone, Alex here of MacMobileMastery. In this video, I will show you quickly how to turn off your iPhone if you are using your Face ID in two ways. The first one is to hold this button and this button at the same time and press it. Then the power off icon appears and you can slide it to power off the iPhone. You can turn it on by pressing this button and hold it until the Apple icon appears. Now it's turned on. And then there's another way to turn it off. Go to Setting, then go to General, then at the bottom, Shutdown. And then the power off button appears. Slide it to power it off. The same way to power it on. Press this button again. Now it's on. Thank you for watching.